Hey friends, if you wish to free up, reduce or limit RAM usage on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now I'll tell you the best solution. Restart your computer. I'll tell you why this will fix all the problems, but first of all I'll explain the procedure. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and restart it. Now here's why it will fix the problem. What is RAM? RAM means random access memory. This is not permanent memory and the RAM cache is only under utilization till your computer is on. When you restart your computer, it will reset the RAM cache. That is what exactly happens. Now after this, let's say it is a recurring problem. So open the task manager and then click on the memory option. Like the memory utilization in my system is 44%. So check which processes are using the maximum possible RAM and you can kill that process. Right click and select end task to kill that process. Okay, so this is also one thing that you can do. And after this you can increase the RAM. So here's what you can do. Go to amazon.com or let's say any such website like Best Buy or any other online purchasing website or offline one, and then search for RAM and then buy a DDR3 or DDR4 RAM depending upon the one which is supported by your system. It will cost anywhere between what do we say, $50 to $60, and you can add the RAM and make your computer way faster. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.